Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Pine nut and olive salsa, yay! So we want 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 4. And then, rather than just lemon juice, we're actually going to dice up a lemon. So just cut the top and tail off, and then chop off as much of the pith as you can. Great, and then we're going to just dice up, get any seeds out, and then just dice up the flesh. And it's up to you how fine or chunky you leave it. The finer it is, the more you remove the seeds. I like it quite chunky, but it's up to you. Okay, and then we're going to get the lemon into our bowl. I'm getting the juice in as well. Awesome. Then we want some herbs. I'm going to use dill today, but minced good or parsley. So just a small bunch, and I'm going to take out any big stalks. Love the smell of dill. Basil's also good here too. Actually, we won't bother about chopping them. So pine nuts in, and then just give it a stir. And then big generous pinch of salt. More of a stir. I probably would use more pine nuts if I had them, but I'm all out, so that will have to do. And then our salsa's ready. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.